expertise and discover how digitalization is the key enabler. For more info, search for the Energy Transition Conference, powered by Tenaga Nasional. The news on BFM 89.9.
Here are the main stories at 7:30. The Madani Medical Scheme will be expanded to 11 other districts later this month, including Seremban, Seberang Perai Tengah, Kota Baru, Kuala Muda, Kuala Terengganu and Kuantan. The Health Ministry says private medical clinics in these districts involved are welcome to register as panels under the scheme. The scheme is offered automatically to recipients of the Rama Cash Aid Initiative and is expected to benefit 700,000 households with an allocation of 100 million ringgit. At the Ipoh Sessions Court, the 20
Turn right on Persheran Tun Arshad Ayub.
last month. Upon conviction, the accused faces 20 years imprisonment as well as whipping and has been granted bail at 4,000 ringgit. The Women, Family and Community Development Ministry received 506 cases of
In 1.5 kilometers. At the roundabout, take the third exit on Persheran Raja Muda.